guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dominique and I would love for you guys to join the NiqueNique squad. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on your notifications. That way you'll always be notified when I post a new video. So obviously, as you can tell from today's video title, I am dealing with extensions. Something that I've never done before here on my channel. I've actually had extensions in my hair before, believe it or not. I did some Senegalese twist on myself and I shared it over on Instagram a couple of years ago. I'll insert a picture here just in case you were wondering what the turnout was. It turned out really good, but it did take me a long time to do them. So if you remember that Instagram post and reading the caption, girl, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that again. I don't know, but it was still really cute. So today I wanted to try to do an extended braid pony, and this is what it turned out to be. So, you know, up close you can kind of see some errors here with the extension hair. I do know how to braid, but braiding with extensions is a whole different, you know, ballpark, which I don't know how to do. So it was my first time trying it out, but you know, from far away everything looks okay and it's super cute and I still really love it. And it's super long, don't mind my belly, but it's super long and I really love how it turned out still. Like I said, braiding with extensions is a whole nother world, and it's just, it took me a lot of times to get this braid down pat, and you'll see in the video. But anywho's, enough rambling. If you want to see how I got this extended long braid pony, then just keep watching. Alright y'all, so I hope this style turns out right. I did wash and blow dry my hair specifically for this style, so let's just pray that it comes out right. I'm just gonna get my spray bottle here. It's just water, and I'm just gonna spray the top part and then along the sides. I'm not spraying all the way down the length of my hair. I want that part to be dry, so I'm just spraying just a little bit of water around where the ponytail is gonna go. Next, I'm gonna take some leave-in conditioner, and this one is by Miss Jessie's. It's the leave-in conditioner, and I really do love it. So I'm just gonna take some of this just to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized so that I can slick it back. Then I'm gonna take my Denman brush and kind of just brush the hair up. Ooh, y'all. It's been so long since I've had to brush my hair up like this with a brush. Now that the hair is all moisturized, I'm gonna take some gel and put on top of that. So this is the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and smooth it down. And I'm gonna brush it up as far out as I can go, so that way the actual ponytail won't be so bumpy. Alright, so that looks pretty slick down, but I'm gonna take my son's Tangle Teezer and brush it up some more just to make sure it's really nice and smooth. Okay y'all, that felt really good on the scalp, by the way. So now I'm just gonna tie my hair with a hair tie, make my ponytail. Ooh, y'all, these lights are making me hot. It's late. Okay, pull it through. All right, then I'm gonna just tighten it because I do want this to be like really secure. All right, so we got our slick ponytail down. So I want to make sure that the braid is, you know, as combed out as possible or brushed out as possible. So I'm just kind of combing through the ponytail just a little bit with my Denman brush. And I'm kind of making sure not to pull on it too much because I don't want my ponytail to shift. Alright, so I got the ponytail brushed out, and before I move on, I'm going to show you the hair extensions that I got. So I picked this up at my local beauty supply. This is the Expression Premium Ultra Braid hair, and it's 42 inches long. So I'm curious to see how much longer this is going to make my hair. Like, my hair is already long, so I know that when I braid my hair, it kind of shrinks up a little bit just because it's weaved up. But I'm excited to like get a long braided pony. So before I actually start the braid, I'm gonna take like a small little piece of my real hair on the side, and I'm gonna twist that down and put it away for now so that I can use that to wrap around the ponytail once I'm done. So again, here's the hair. It's the Expressions Premium Ultra Braid 42 inch hair, and this is pre-stretched already. Thank God, because I really don't know how to stretch hair out because I don't really work with extensions a lot. So here's the hair, and I tried to get it as close to my hair color. So this is a yeah, this is in 1B, so I feel like it should match my hair okay. I mean, obviously it's a little shiny, but you know, whatever. Alright, so I took one of those bundles and split it down the middles just so it wouldn't be too thick on my real hair, because my hair is not as thick as some of you think it is. So for my ponytail, I'm gonna take my hair and make 3 equal pieces. So I'm gonna take the right piece, cross it over, bring it to the middle. Take the left piece, cross it over, bring it to the middle. And I'm going to do that a couple of more times before I actually feed in the hair. My hair seems really big since I blow dried it, so it's kind of hard to hold it all, but okay. So I braided it down like maybe 2 or 3 times, and here's where I'm gonna feed in the extensions. So I got one piece here, and I do not know how to explain this before anybody asks. I'm just kind of going with the flow because this is my first time. So I'm gonna take this, bring it up under the piece on the right to connect it with my real hair, and then I'm gonna take the left piece, which has hair in it, bring it to the middle. I'm trying to make this as neat as possible. Okay, cross over. I have another piece, bring it up under, connect it with the right piece, and take the left, cross it over, bring it in the middle. Ooh, y'all, this is a lot harder than I thought. So it's not as neat as I would like it to be, but that's okay. So I got 2 pieces in so far, and I'm gonna take the last piece. So now every section should have some hair in it. So I'm just gonna keep braiding it down. And I'm kind of just using my fingers to comb out my hair in the extension, just to kind of neaten it up a little bit, because it looks kind of messy up top, but that's okay. Okay, it's looking a little better now that I'm braiding it down some more, but yeah. The under part looks really, really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some hair mousse and spray it on my real hair since it's getting close to running out. I'm just gonna mesh that in with the fake hair. And I'm just gonna keep braiding all the way down and adding in mousse where I need to. So yeah, I actually undid the braid and I want to add in another piece. And I'm kind of like pulling on it to make it tight so it can look neater. So now I'm gonna go back and add some mousse to where my real hair is about to end and just kind of mesh that in with the extension hair. And just keep braiding all the way down. And if I need to borrow hair from a section, which I do feel like I need to, then I'm just gonna take some, split it, and add it to that section. And keep braiding, just so everything can be even all the way down. I'm actually gonna take some more mousse. Oop. It's getting long. As I get close to the end, I'm gonna stop right about here and tie it with a rubber band. So it is a little small right here. I probably should have started the extensions closer to the top, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that mousse and go in up here to kind of smooth down those flyaways. Just kind of mesh it in there. I bet you my coworkers from the salon, if they're watching this video, they're probably like cracking up at me right now because they know I don't do anything with extensions. Like, if it don't grow out your scalp, I can't help you. So now, with this little piece, I'm gonna undo this twist. I'm gonna brush it out and take some mousse, smooth that down. And then I'm going to wrap this piece around the ponytail. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin and secure that. I'm actually going to take a little bit of that mousse and go over this part. Wow, this ponytail feels super heavy right now. Alright, so I know my braid with the weave looks a little not up to par, but that's okay. I'm just gonna fix my edges, brush my edges down, and I'm gonna be using my baby tress edges brush and some Murray's Edge wax. And I'm not really doing anything fancy, I'm just gonna kind of just swoop it on in there. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit more mousse on the end here and just kind of, well, I don't know why I expected the end of this hair to curl. So what I'm gonna do is take a perm rod and rod it up and then dip it in some hot water. Alright, so I got my cup of hot water here. I don't know if y'all can see the steam, but it's steaming. So I'm just going to take the end of my hair and dip it in here for a few seconds. I'm just gonna get a towel so that I can pat my hair dry. This is really, really hot. I'm just gonna squeeze out all the excess water. And there you have it, a little curl. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this little part right here is just sticking out, so I'm just gonna snip that off with some scissors. There we go, and there you have it, perfectly curled. All right, y'all, so here's the finished product. I know the braid up front, up close and personal, looks a little weird in this area, and my ponytail is kind of like leaning like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but you know, it's all good. It was my first time, but you know, we gonna get it right. We gonna keep trying, because I actually like the look of it. It turned out really cute still. I feel like underneath the braid it looks a lot cleaner because you can't tell that it's messed up on the other side. So no, that looks crazy. I'm gonna flip it back over. Anyways, I hope you guys still enjoyed watching this video. I had fun doing it. I just wanted to try something different because I never do anything really with my real hair, which I'm trying to get into more hairstyles. So I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle with this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you want to see any other kind of hairstyle videos, just let me know and I can attempt it out for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah! Bye!